Good day, YouTube. This is Jay Money with Falling Forward Financial. Just an update here on Orchid Island Capital. I've talked about this one here on the channel in the past. Looks like back in July and back in April. I just got paid some dividends on this one, so I just wanted to point this one out. This is a REIT dividend stock. Again, it's Orchid Island Capital, ticker ORC. Here's a look at what it's done over the last year. So not a great return, but you do get a really nice dividend on this one. So if you get accumulated shares back here and sold out of them here, you'd had a little bit of extra money. But I don't think about the appreciation on this one. I get into it for the dividend. So for a $5 stock, you get a really great return. As you can see what it's done here over the last 3 months. Last month it's down. Last week it's actually down, so now's a good time, I'm looking at it, to buy some more if I can get some in this $5 range. Again, tomorrow I'm gonna pick up some more shares. So as you can see, I have 63 here in Robinhood, and my cost basis is a little bit higher than I would like it, so I'm trying to get this up to 100 shares. I think I'm gonna cap out at that and kind of see where it gets me from there. So as you can see, I'm down 23% on that, but if I get that up to 100 shares, that'll definitely knock that down, as well as my cost basis, and then just kind of reevaluate and see where it's at from there. But this is the favorite part that I like about this one. So I got $4.10 worth of dividends today, so that's free money. So you can do the math, and just a couple more to buy you another share per month, and then that just keeps snowballing on top of one another. So that's how I work it. I don't have the dividend, the drip turned on in this account. I have a TD Ameritrade that I have some more ORC in, and I have the drip turned on in that one. I don't have any drip turned on here in Robinhood. It's just kind of my preference. That way it just kind of builds up the account here, and then I can buy whatever I want. So if you don't know what this one is, it operates as a specialty finance company which engages in investing in residential mortgage-backed securities. Its portfolio consists of traditional pass-through agency RMBS and structured agency RMBS. The traditional pass-through agency include mortgage pass-through certificates and collateralized mortgage obligations. It was founded in 2010, headquartered in Florida, so what better place but on the beach in Vero Beach for a headquarters there in Florida. Average volume of 4.6 million and a $623 million market cap. So some people would kind of frown at this because it is kind of high, but it's been paying out the dividend for quite some time. So here's, you can see their earnings, and here's the history on my dividends. So you can see it is a monthly payer, and it keeps paying and hasn't stopped. So you can see what it would take to build up your account, and here's where they raised it back from October to November. So who knows, maybe they'll raise it again this fall, so we'll just have to wait and see on that. So but if you have ORC, go ahead and list it in the comments. I have some of these other ones as well. AGNC, Prospect, I think that's PSEC. This one's AGNC. I think this one's NLY and NRZ. I have all of these, but if you're looking for the biggest bang for your dollar, this is definitely the one. So like I said, a lot of people would frown at the 15.5, but just don't wrap all your eggs in one basket. That's what I do. I kind of diversify. If you follow my channel, you know that I'm well diversified, so into quite a few different things. So here's an article from the 15th, and I have some newer articles towards the end of the video. Is Orchid Island still a hot stock to buy? And Orchid Island price closed lower on Tuesday, the 14th, dropping 0.00% below its previous close. Here's kind of some financials, PE, the 12-month period, and you can feel free to pause the video and go over some of that information. Since this is a week old, I'm just going to kind of fly through this one as I have some other information to go over. But here, as you can kind of see, earnings per share to hit 75 cents for the year 2021 and up to $1.01 for 2022. So we'll see if they raise the dividend on this one, or what they're actually going to do with this one. So here's some more financials, so feel free to pause and go over that. You can find all that right here on stockregister.com. Orchid Island can't be written off for the posting last 3 months, average volume of 3.49 million. This is dated here just a couple days ago on the 20th, so actually this week. Which is $4.95 to be very precise. The stock rose vividly during the last session to $5.05 after opening a rate of $5.03, while the lowest price went recorded $5. Before closing at $5 recently in the news on September 16, 2021, ORC announces September 2021 monthly dividend and August 31, 2021 RMBS portfolio characteristics. September 2021 monthly dividend, and right there it is, of 6.5% or 6.5 cents per share of common stock. And so feel free to pause and go over the rest of the information there. Kind of goes over the prices over the period of the 52 weeks, and so I kind of already went those. It just doesn't move a whole lot, so definitely not one to trade, but just one to accumulate on the dips and grab that dividend. So, and like I showed you, if you have enough, you can get a free stock eventually. So this is actually dated on the 21st, so just 2 days ago. Went down 1% from its latest closing price compared to the recent one-year high of $6.22. The company's stock price has collected minus 2.17% of loss in the last 5 trading sessions. Reported on 9/16/21, the Orchid Island Capital announces September 2021 monthly dividend and August 31, 2021 RMBS portfolio characteristics. Is it worth investing in Orchid Island right now? They scored a price to earnings ratio above its average ratio, recording 31.33 from the present earnings ratio plus a 36-month beta value for ORC is at 1.28. Opinions of the stock are interesting, as one analyst out of 2 who provided ratings for Orchid Island declared the stock was a buy, while 0 rated the stock as overweight, 1 rated as a hold, and 0 as a sell. And we'll go over some ratings here in a moment. Orchid Island stock adds 0.40%, but it may be worthwhile to invest in. This is just dated yesterday on the 22nd. Trading price of Orchid Island closed higher on Tuesday the 21st, closing at $4.97, 0.40% higher than its previous close. Traders who pay close attention to the intraday price movement should know that it fluctuated between $4.96 and $5.04. The P in the trailing 12-month period is 31.46, while the 5-year monthly beta is 1.28. And feel free to pause and go over the rest. Over here on Reddit, Skim retired meme list 3 times and did not see Orchid or with normal voices. I saw it on YouTube and was entirely incapacitated in 3 minutes. Origin of ORC. We will get the space, learn the humans aren't the same, or the space orcs we expected. Good stuff. And over here on StockTwits, currently at $5.03. with a low of 480, high of 622. Hey guys, have you looked at the all-time chart? It's a downward trend. Do you know what? Still believe that is safe? You just have to do your own DD and just watch it and see, and maybe it'll come back up. But don't dump everything into it all at once. You might just want to buy a little bit here and there per month and just kind of see how it goes on this one. So this is 6.5 cents per share. Is that correct? That is correct. We'll start building a large position here. There you go. So some people like their dividends, and this is a good paying one. So over here on Tippering's currently at $5.03. This is showing a hold and no ratings on this one. So that's all I have for ORC. If you have this one, go ahead and list it in the comments along with your cost basis and how many shares, and if you want to list how much dividends you get per month, that'd be interesting to know as well. I already showed you mine is $4.10, so maybe the next time I make a video on this one, I will get that boosted up a little bit. So if it stays around that $5 range, I'm going to pick up some more on this one. So could have got it for under $5 here earlier in the week. So but that's it for this one. If you haven't smashed that like button yet, go ahead and hit that for me, as well as subscribing. And back to making videos. I took a little bit of time off and had some family stuff come up and stuff going on with a girlfriend. So I'm back at making videos now and gonna get this up to the next level. So I thank you for all the support on the channel, and smash that like button, subscribe if you haven't, and leave a comment. That's always welcome. And I thank you for watching. Happy trading, happy investing, stay green. Cheers.